Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, April 1st, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance. Also, technology inventory will be starting very soon. Please make sure that you can locate each of your students' devices and the charger they were given to go with it. Ms. Gibbs will be sending out a schedule of when she will be visiting your room to scan all the devices. Today's late duty is Ms. Heichman. Important dates. This week we've been doing ACAP testing for 2nd and 3rd grade. We may try to do a couple of makeups this morning, but it would just be a couple. ACAP alternate has pretty much finished. Today we have our honors walk at 1 o'clock. Next week we have 4th and 5th grade starting their ELA test for ACAP, and the week following that we have 4th and 5th grade doing their ACAP math. Then we'll have some spring break, and after spring break we'll do science. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.